Welcome at Panasonic Factory Solutions at our Panasonic campus, Munich.
We are very happy to give you today an insight into our product portfolio extension in the area of smart factory process solutions. Here in our technology center in Munich, we have a fully automated SMT production line. We have fully automated THT solutions, such as with the very fast radial and axial machines, or the ultra-flexible NPM VF, which is a dual gantry machine. Now, we developed together with our technology partner Computer Aided Works from southern Germany, a manual guided THT solution.
Today we show you our computer aided workstation. You have a fully automatic SMD production. Some of your assembly, inspection, test and packing steps are still manually done in your production. Would you like to have traceability during manual assembly? Do you want to get away from lack of reliability and high error rates in your manual production? Would you like to have an effective end-to-end material management? If so, PGMA Panasonic Guided Manual Assembly is the perfect solution for you. The PGMA system consists of following components: computer unit with the required inputs and outputs, the interface and connection to the higher level IT infrastructure and database, the material assembly area including the conveyor, the Pictolite material boxes and barcode reader, Panasonic laser projector for visualization, high-resolution camera with high-intensity lighting for image recognition, monitors as GUI for work instructions and local reporting. And now let's see the whole thing in practice. Preparations at the workplace. Registration of the specialist worker by, for example, barcode recognition of the personal ID. Verification of the workplace to be complete and fully prepared. Assembly steps. Load the board and confirm by image recognition the correct position. Identification of the product by reading a barcode label on the circuit board. Pick and placement of two relays in the required order and verification by respective image recognition. If inserted in the wrong order, the image recognition would generate an error message. Mounting a capacitor, ensuring alignment through a projected photo. Installation of a connector strip, switching forward through image recognition. The system is waiting for the automatic activation of the conveyor. As you can see, with the patented Autosynchronous worker guidance, no manual confirmations are required while production process. We distinguish the computer-aided manual assembly, as just seen, and the setup of the system, such as called the administration. Work sequences, work instructions, images and projections, as well as criteria for switching forward, can be put together and configured by the user as desired. Thank you very much for your interest. We're looking forward to your questions and a fruitful cooperation.